welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some cash stuffing, and also we're going to be seeing how much rollover money that I had left over from the last pay period. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? I hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, as you can see, honey, I haven't gone yet to the nail salon. So, those of you guys, I wondered what happened to my my thumb here. Honestly, I really don't know. I was saying in my previous video that, I don't know, all of a sudden I just looked down, honey, and some of my nail polish had peeled off. I have no idea what happened. And then so since some of it had came off, I just started peeling the rest of it off. And when I got down to here, honey, it wouldn't come off, y'all. So this is why it looks like that, y'all. So please ignore it. And so other than that, you guys, I have been on Instagram, TikTok, looking at you guys' videos and, trying to take care of business, running here and there. And that's about it, y'all. I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take out the monies out of this envelope. I'm going to place this envelope on the side. And so the amount of money that we are going to be cash stuffing is going to be a total of $410. All right, sweeties. So what I want to do is I'm going to count to make sure that that is correct. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. 400, 405 and 10. And that is correct, sweeties. All right, I'm going to place this money on the side in this cash tray, and I'm going to separate by the denominations. All right, sweeties, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out my wallet here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how much rollover money that I had in each category. And so we're going to start off with Keena's funds. And so let's pull it out and let's see. All right, sweeties, I have $10, $11, $12, $13. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the monies that was left over / rollover. I'm going to be placing the monies over here in this cash tray. All right, we're going to go to categories. The next categories, is groceries. And let's see how much money I had left over. And so we have $4. $4 total in the grocery category. Next is snacks. And let's see, sweeties, I have $2 remaining left. We placed it over here on the side. And so, sweeties, the money that our rollovers that's left over that I placed over here in this cash tray, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be placing this money in my saving challenges. All right, sweeties, so the next category, it is gas. And, sweeties, we have $5 remaining left. I'm going to place it over here on the side. We're going to skip car wash. Next is spending, and you guys, I have $1 remaining left. Next is restaurants. And so, sweeties, I have $5, $6, $7 remaining left. I'm going to place it over here on the side. Next is healthcare and beauty. And sweeties, it was $5 remaining left. Next is nails. And we have another $5 remaining left. Hair. You guys, we have $5 remaining left. And let's see, the category is home supplies. And you guys, I have $1 remaining left. And next category, it is missile. And I also have $1 remaining left. And so, sweeties, the last category, it is give. And whatever that's remaining left, honey, we're going to leave it in there. All right, sweeties, I'm going to take my wallet. I'm going to move it on the side here. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to take all of the rollover / leftover money. I'm going to count it to see how much it is. All right, sweeties, let me count. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, sweeties, so I had a total of $49 that was rolled over from the last pay period. Honey, that's not bad. That's not bad. And so once again, sweeties, what I'm going to do with this money, I'm going to be placing these inside some of my saving challenges. So I'm going to place this money back on the side. And I'm going to bring back my wallet. But before I do that, I want to let you guys know that this is the amount that I'm going to be cash stuffing in each of the categories that's in my wallet. So I'm going to move this on the side. And so let me bring back my wallet. And so now we are going to cash stuff. So the first category, it is Keena's funds. And sweeties, that's going to be receiving, that category is a total of $90. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 20s and a 10. So that should come up to $90. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. All right, sweeties, I'm going to be placing that inside this envelope. The next category I'm going to cash stuffing is $70, and that's going to, let me see, I'm going to take 1, 2, I'm going to take 3 20s and a 10. So that's 20, 40, 60, $70. I'm going to place it nice and neat in my grocery category. Next category, it is actually snacks. That's going to receive a total of $20. So let me take a $20 bill here. Let's place it nice and neat inside. Next is gas, you guys. I'm going to be placing a total of $40 inside this envelope. So, sweeties, let me take a 20 and 20, which is $40. And let me cash stuff my envelope here. Next category is car wash. We're going to be skipping that one. Next is spending. So, you guys, I'm going to be giving myself a total of $40. So, that is 220, so it's $40. And let me place it nice and neat inside this envelope. Next is restaurants. That's going to be receiving also a total of $40. And let's see. Here you go, sweeties. I have two $20 bills, so that's $40. Replace it in the restaurant category. Next is self-care. That's going to be receiving a total of $20. And here it is, sweeties. I know I'm not talking much in this video. So, you know, I'm just thinking about stuff, y'all. That's all. I'm just thinking about, like, the stuff that I have to do, you know, that's upcoming. You know what, y'all? I was thinking about not going to the Bath and Body Works candle day. I was thinking about not doing that. I don't know, y'all, because I have so many candles, and it's like, man, I can only burn so much, you know. So I'm thinking about that as I'm cast stuffing, y'all. Isn't that crazy? But anyway, sweetie, so the next category we're going to be cash stuffing is going to be nails. That's going to be receiving a total of $60. And honey, I need my nails done, y'all. So let me grab the monies. So that's 1, 2, 3 20s. 20, 40, $60. Let me cash stuff in this envelope. And y'all, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what nail polish I should get. What I'm really thinking about is a dark color. I'm thinking about maybe a dark brown, or I thought about like Christmas colors, red and greens and stuff like that. But in a way, I don't want that. Then I thought about maybe a nude color or something, you know, like a real light nude with gold glitter or something on it. I don't know, y'all. But you'll see in my next video, y'all, how my nails come out. All right, sweetie. So hair, that's going to be receiving a total of $20. And that is my last 20. I'm going to place it inside this envelope. Next is home supplies. And that's going to receive a total of $5. Here it is, sweeties. And the last category, honey, we're going to be cash stuffing. That's going to be miscellaneous. And that's going to be receiving the last $5. And here it is, sweeties. I'm going to place this in here nice and neat. So, sweeties, I know this was not too long of a video. I just wanted to let you guys know how much money that I had rolled over from the last pay period. And I just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing with it. And also, too, I just want to let you guys also know the ones that are new, that whoever have the variable expenses, you know, you guys can do the same thing I did. You guys can pick out the certain categories that's important to you. You guys can stuff and, you know, you guys can carry these in your wallets and, you know, just do what you do, y'all. So, sweeties, y'all heard that phone in the background. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know that's my twin sister, Tina, calling. And so I'm so glad, honey, she called right at the end of this video. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, sweeties.